Welcome back everyone, this is Mindy. In today's video, I wanted to show you an unboxing of the Pink and Main December 2019 Winter Wonderland card kit. So here's the box. Don't mind that it was a little damaged on the front. That was just my postal service. So here I'm opening this up and they include this really pretty card in the kit, and on the back it tells you exactly what you're all getting in the kit, which we will go ahead and take a look at here. So first off, you are getting some cardstock. So this is a beautiful cardstock and it's pretty thick. This is a really good sturdy cardstock. You're getting 1/2 sheet of Lakeside and 1/2 sheet of Night Sky Sparkle. Now you also have some colored cardstock in here. So you're getting 5 assorted colors of cardstock. These all coordinate with the paper pack that's also included in this, and I will show you that shortly. So you're getting some pinks and teals, some purple. There's also some 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. I gotta say, this cardstock is really thick. This is a great cardstock. I thought I was missing a sheet when I was going through it because I thought there were sheets stuck behind each other. So if you're looking for a really great quality cardstock, check out that ice rink white cardstock. That's phenomenal. Now here's a look closer into what's in the kit. So first off there, I was showing you the 8.5 by 11 mesh project bag. Great to have on hand. This is some holographic washi tape, I believe it is. You're also going to get these glitter buttons. These are really cool. I haven't seen any buttons in this glitter. So here's a closer look. Beautiful buttons. You can see in the 2 different colors there, a variety of sizes. You're also getting this 1-inch flare button. There's also some twine here. So you have 3 yards each of solid and striped teal twine. There's also a sequence mix here. So that is beautiful iridescent and a variety of colors in there, the light blue, the light purple. So you're getting a pack of those in your kit. You're also going to get 4 white envelopes. So when you're done making your creations, you can mail these out to friends or family. And then we also have some glitter snowflake stickers. These are really beautiful. So once I open that up, I'll go ahead and pull out one of each color and I will give you a closer look at these. So these are foam, so there's a little bit of dimension to them. There is like an off-white and then a silver. And they do have adhesive on the back. So I'm just kind of peeling. There's a release paper there. And so they're a sticker. They're going to just be ready to add to your project. So here's a closer look at those. Get all that gorgeous glitterness in there. You also will be getting a rhinestone mix. So these are a really clear, sparkly rhinestone mix that's included in the kit. I'll give you a close-up of those. Lots of them in this bag, so plenty for projects for your cards now and in the future, and very versatile. You can use these on your winter projects or anything. Could be birthday, anything with flowers, so a very versatile. Also inside is an exclusive die. Now Pink and Main has these amazing dies where they're colored pink, and they do die cut very well. I have some of Pink and Main's dies from in the past, so I know they cut beautiful. That exclusive die says warm winter wishes. The die says winter wishes. This is the exclusive 6x6 stamp set with the snowflakes, and it says warm winter wishes. And then this is a look at the 6x6 paper pad. Now this you're getting double-sided, and I believe it's 2 of each design. So I'll take you through a quick walkthrough of the designs. I'm definitely a big fan of Pink and Main's pattern paper. They have gorgeous designs. I love the color palette that she does on her paper packs. And I will have all of the links listed down below to check out Pink and Main's Winter Wonderland collection. These are the Crafty Courtyard, I believe, subscription boxes is what she calls them. I'll have it linked below. It's a subscription you'll want to sign up for. definitely worth the money, very affordable, and you're getting so much of these in these packs. So worth checking out. I will have some projects coming up very soon using the supplies out of this kit. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.